Now the next one is time t equal to 2. So here instead of that is t, I am substituting 2 minus 2. So here h of 1 minus tau, then again I am shifting this towards right one, so I am getting h of 2 minus tau. So now I am going to multiply this x of tau with this signal. Now see the common part, it is 0 to, integral is from 0 to 2, x of tau is 1, h of t minus 1 amplitude is 1, so 1 into d tau. So when you integrate this, you will get tau 0 to 2. So 2 minus 0, applying upper limit and lower limit, you will get 2. Next, similarly, substitute t equal to 3. So what you will get at y of 3? So this is what your y of 2. Y of 3 integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau h of 3 minus tau d tau. So now again I need to shift this to 3. So this is from 1 to 3 and the amplitude is 1 and it is h of 3 minus tau. So here it is tau. So now multiply with this signal. So which one is common here? Yes, it is 1 to 3 is common, right, for these two signals. So y of 3 is integral 1 to 3, x of tau is 1, h of 3 minus tau is 1 d tau. So when you integrate, you will get tau, and applying upper limit and the lower limit, it is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, so y of 3 is also 2. Next, substitute y of 4. That is, we need to find y of 4. So t equal to 4, you will get it. So y of 4. So formula you will write y of t integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau h of 4 minus tau d tau. Okay, so here the same formula. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this is shifted to 2 to 3, right? 2 to 3. Then so compare with this common factor. Now the common signal is from 2 to 4. So y of 4 is equal to integral 2 to 4 x of tau value is 1, h of 4 minus, so this is h of 4 minus tau value is 1 d tau. So when you integrate, you will get tau. So 4, that is upper limit is 4, lower limit is 2, so 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Similarly, find time t equal to 5. So I will get y of 5. So minus integral infinity to infinity x of tau h of 5 minus tau d tau. So when you substitute h of 5 minus tau, what you will get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is shifted to 2 to 5. So the amplitude is 1. So here it h of 5 minus tau d tau. Now here the common signal is from here it is 2 to, sorry, here it is not 2, here it is 3 to 5. Okay, so 3 to 5, here it is also you are having from 3 to 5.